In a quiet village near thick forests and hills, a farmer went for a walk one morning. While exploring, he stumbled upon a large eagle's nest on the ground, damaged by a storm. Among the broken twigs and feathers lay a single egg, unharmed. Feeling sorry for the abandoned egg, the farmer decided to take it home. At his farm, he gently placed the egg in the nest of his hen, which was already brooding over her own eggs. The hen, kind and motherly, accepted the egg without question. Days passed and the eggs hatched one by one, including the eagle's egg. Out came a tiny eaglet, soft and fluffy, surrounded by chirping chicks. From the start, the eaglet believed it was just another chicken. It scratched the ground for grains, clucked like the others, and never even thought about the sky above. It saw other birds flying high but never imagined it could do the same. "We are chickens," the other chicks told it. "We stay on the ground." The eaglet accepted this as its truth. Years passed, and the eagle grew into a majestic bird with strong wings and sharp eyes, but it still lived like a chicken. It forgot it was born to rule the skies. One day, a wandering sage passed through the village and visited the farm. As he observed the animals, his eyes stopped at the eagle. He frowned and asked the farmer, "Why is this mighty bird behaving like a chicken?" The farmer laughed. "Oh, that's not a mighty bird anymore. It's just one of my chickens. It has lived here all its life and it doesn't know how to fly." The sage shook his head. No matter how long it lives among chickens, an eagle is always an eagle. Its true nature cannot change. He approached the eagle, which was pecking at the ground, and said gently, "You are not meant to live like this. You are the king of the skies. Come with me." The farmer, amused, allowed the sage to take the eagle. The sage carried the eagle to the roof of the barn. Holding it high, he said, "Look at the sky, spread your wings, and fly." The eagle looked up at the sky for a moment but then glanced back at the ground. Fear gripped it, and it hopped back down, seeking safety among the chickens. The sage sighed but didn't give up. The next day, he climbed a nearby hill with the eagle. The wind blew gently, and the valley stretched below them. The sage said, "You are not meant for the earth. Look at the sky and trust yourself." The eagle flapped its wings but didn't take off. It still hesitated, unsure of its strength. On the third day, the sage climbed to the highest mountain in the region, carrying the eagle with him. The peak was high above the clouds, and the wind roared around them. Holding the eagle close, the sage whispered, "You are born free. You are not bound to the earth. You are an eagle, soar." This time, the eagle felt something stir deep within, a memory, long forgotten. The vast sky called to it, the wind pushed against its feathers. Slowly, it stretched its wings wide, feeling their power for the first time. With one mighty leap, the eagle launched itself into the air. At first, it flapped awkwardly, but soon, it found its rhythm. It soared higher and higher, the wind carrying it effortlessly. The ground below disappeared, and the sky became its home. The sage watched the eagle disappear into the heavens. Smiling, he said, "The soul is like this eagle. Trapped by ignorance, it forgets its true nature. But when awakened, it remembers its divinity and soars to freedom." This story echoes the teachings of the Mundaka Upanishad. Like the eagle in our story, we all have a choice. Will we remain grounded by the limitations we've been taught, or will we awaken to our true nature and soar? The Upanishads remind us that we are not bound by the roles and struggles of this world. Within us lies infinite potential, waiting to be realized. If this story inspired you, take a moment today to reflect on your own life. What's holding you back from spreading your wings? Remember, you are not a chicken, you are an eagle, born to rise, born to fly.